trotting chick here
Yeah.
on the Gambia River, taking a nice solitary boat ride with my friend.
Yeah.
And the river is very quiet. The mangroves all around, you can tell. All you can hear is a slight buzzing, and I think those might be the bees. And every now and then there's a little splash, which is probably the fish, tilapia, according to my friend. And it's just really quiet and peaceful. Just wanted to show you. Yeah. We're in low tide right now. During the day it gets to be high tide, which is when the river rises. And then the oysters stick to the roots of the mangrove. And they are collected by the locals during low tide. You can tell where the normal level of the water would be, which is pretty impressive. And this is salt water.